Now that you know what service learning is, let's talk about how a teacher might work to plan for such events. So, the steps in service learning that we typically approach as far as developing and fleshing out how a project might look is a model that's called PARC. And so each letter of the acronym actually stands or represents a stage of the work that needs to be done. We start with preparation or a need assessment in the area. We do action or provide a service. And then the two pieces that are extremely important is we evaluate our impact and we reflect upon that. And then we celebrate and demonstrate our learning towards others. So the preparation needs assessment. We work together with our students to think about what is it in our community that we could work towards to do service towards or to improve. So the students come together to brainstorm problems worth solving. And then they work and plan for how they will actually help impact the community through their service. After that first P step, we then move into A, which is the action and service step. This is where students actually perform or implement their proposed plan for solving the community problem. Here's where it's different than community service. Along the way, they're collecting data in order to study the impact of their work. After the community service is performed inside of service learning, they actually look at the data they've collected and reevaluate to measure the impact of the work. They consider if they were to do this plan again, what adjustments to the original plan might be needed to even have further impact. And so that this learning doesn't just exist inside of the classroom or the group who is performing the service learning, we plan intentionally for a celebration or demonstration of our learning. We want to share the impact of our work with a wider audience so that others may be inspired by our work or consider using our work as a launch pad to take on our ideas to implement their own service learning. We also want to make sure we work in collaboration, and it's kind of like passing the baton. This celebration demonstration gives a real audience for the work that we're doing in service to our community.